Knitting time!
Alright, let's cast on our 64 stitches. And I have 2 dogs that want attention.
And I made a beautiful cuff. So I think we're ready to go up to the knitting machine and knit the rest of the sock because my fingers are getting tired. And also they're frozen because we just came back from a walk and like it was 20 degrees outside yesterday and today it's like 2, I think. So yeah, I'm a bit cold right now, but let's go knit a pair of socks to keep me warm. So, if you're new to my channel, this is my wonderful knitting machine. Whenever I get too tired with my fingers, I like to plop my knitting on this and then just continue. It can do mostly stuck in it if we do in the round, but with the ribber I can do, like if I knit flat, I can do ribbing as well. And yeah, so let's hang a little cuff on the knitting machine and then we'll start knitting the foot. Go. Let's get this started. Oh yeah, and start the row counter at 0. Well, 1, because just did 1 row. One. The yarn is a bit thick to do this, but should be fine if we go slow. Worst case, we'll lose some attention a little bit. Ooh, and we're slowly getting into the blue part of the yarn. I really can't wait to see the finished product. It'll be amazing, I think. we made our first sock, and it looks amazing. I'm really happy with, like, I definitely put more spin this time in it, and like you can see the difference from the previous one I made. They feel a lot sturdier, I guess is the would be the best way to explain it. I'm really happy with the color. Look at this beautiful gradient on it. I can't wait to see how the second one turns out. And yeah, so let's start knitting the second one, because we don't have second sock syndrome here.
I really love how it knits up so far. I need to show you. Like, it looks, can you see it? It looks like rustic-ish, because obviously I have like thick and thin parts. Well, this part is mostly, well, it's not the best part of the yarn to show you, but yeah, I have some thick and thin spots, so it makes like more like bulges in my stitches. But I like the style it gives. It's pretty cool, and they're definitely sturdier socks than the green ones that I made with the previous yarn. I feel like the twist is way better in this one, and it's like bouncier than the other one. But yeah, really happy with the yarn I managed to spin this time. I will definitely have to redo it the same way again. Which, if it's like drawing eyes or hands, you can't do the same thing twice. But we'll try our best. If that's all you need to do, try your best. I mean, these are my socks. I'm not selling them. I'm the only one that is gonna see the flaws or whatever. And I'll be happy with them anyways.
We are done with our beautiful socks. Of course, before blocking them, I had to wear them for a while, and I went walking, so there's a bit of piling on here. But otherwise, they're really pretty socks. I didn't manage to get like perfect identical gradient, but it's pretty close, I think. Like where the idea is there. They're two of the same family, and they're a lot more like closer to be identical than my green ones. And yeah, I love how the yarn turned out. As I mentioned while I was spinning it, the yarn is a lot tighter on these, because I think my Ashford my Ashford traditional spins faster or tighter yarn or something. Or maybe it's just the way I spun it this time. Maybe I took more of my time, or I don't know exactly what happened, but I'm happier with this yarn than the yarn I spun for my previous pair of socks. But yeah, now I'm gonna block them and dry them, and I will see you in the next episode. If you like these kinds of crafting videos, spinning, knitting, and sometimes dyeing, please consider subscribing and leave a like below. Leave a comment below to tell me how you find these beautiful socks. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye bye.